So hello guys, this is another day, another tutorial. So in this tutorial we are not designing, so I want to share this particular PSD file. So it's one of my colleagues, you can say it is one of my colleagues in this industry. So I want to share it too. Shout out to crusades for content creators. He's the one that shared it for me, so I said that me too I should share it for my subscribers, or if you are my subscribers, you are following me all my videos that I post, or you are new here, so this is opportunity for you to get access to this. I'll show you to get access to this PSD file. So I'll be showing you to get access to it. If I very editable, you can see it. This is what you achieve. This is what you achieve on this PSD file that I will be posting. So you can see it. So what you just do for me is that to watch this video to the end, so you can get the password. So you get access to all these fonts, all the resources that is in this particular PSD crossover. So you get access to this. You can see it. Everything is very editable, so you can make your work very fast. It will save your time. So you can see it. I just have to share it to you, all my fans that was following me. So very big thank you to the crusades for content creators for sharing this. So I said that I should share too. You can see it's very big, very premium design that you can use for the future purpose. So you can use it. So I will share everything. Everything is very editable. You can see it. Let's check this. You can see it. Everything. You can see it. Everything is very editable and everything comes with the file. You can see it. So this is what we access when you download the link. So I'll drop the link in the description so you can download it. So you too can be using it for your design. So it is very nice, very nice. You can see it. You can use it for your church design, any design that you want to use. And the bonus part is that you get access to the fonts. So how they place these fonts, the pictures, everything. You will have access to the picture too. So it's very nice. Thank you for crusades content creator for this. This will be a lot of helpful for all creators. So thank you very much. So I just said I should share it with my students and people that want to make their work to be easier. So yes. So if you're wondering who is talking in this, so my name is Samson. So my YouTube channel is Wide Creativity Brand. So you can follow me also. I think I love this. So I will do tutorial about one of the design there. So you know how they're designing. So I'll do that part later. So the big news that I bring here is to show you have access to these all five. I have access to all five. You can see it. These all five. And let me show you the one I import into my Photoshop. You can see it. This is what you access in this free church flyer design. PSD free. So this is what you access it. So I think it's very good. It's very good. So please, this procedure is there, is that don't go and sell it, because when you acquire it, it's not so, it's not good. So just use it for your reference, just use it for design, just will help you a lot, and you open big eyes to that. You can see how they place, you can go through all the files, how they place the image and the text. This is a big plus for everyone that can access to this PSD file. So thank you. If you are not following me or subscribe, or so this is the opportunity now to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first person that will be notified when I upload video or upload like video like this. So yeah, it's very nice, so you love it, and so just watch the video to the end. So watch the video to the end, so you can have access to the password. Nothing more. So thank you.